Hi everybody, Happy New Year and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've been here, welcome. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Lisa. You can also call me Jane. Jane is my cat. I started this channel during the pandemic to help me deal with what was going on in the world around me and my emotions. I am a wife, a mom, a veteran, and a stage 3 cancer survivor. Yeah, that's a mouthful, isn't it? I love beauty, I love self-care, I love freebies, and I love crafting, and that's the kind of videos I do on this channel. So if you're interested in seeing that content, hit that red subscribe button. It is free to subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to bring you along on my journey, and let's begin. Today, I am opening the January 2021, yes, sounds so nice, 2021 Glossybox. Glossybox is a monthly beauty box with skincare and makeup products. It normally goes, if you only go month to month, it's $21 a month. If you subscribe for more months at a time, you can get a lower box price. I received this box complimentary from Glossybox, thank you, for my honest review. And they've also given me a discount code, which I can pass to you guys. It's $16 for your first box, free shipping. I'll put the details down below. So let's take a look. I just cut the seal here, and that is it. Glossybox comes looking just like this. It's in a nice mailer. The box itself is pink, usually pink. This is it. It's a very sturdy box. I reuse mine all the time. I put in beauty items in my closet. I put in crafting supplies because I like the quality of the box. It's nice and hard. Here is a coupon, and the box always comes nicely wrapped with tissue paper, a ribbon. Let's open this puppy up, see what's inside. And here is the card with all the contents. And I'm just gonna grab what's on top first. Put this down. So this is called After Spa. It's reusable rounds. So there are 2 in here. These are makeup remover rounds, and they're reusable because you can throw them in your washing machine and wash them. It's a pretty neat concept, and reuse them to take off your makeup. Here's the content card. Let's see how much these cost. So this pack of 2 is $10. A little pricey, but when you get a subscription box, you get a deal. You get a deal. So this is the next item. This is a lightweight facial lotion by Seed Pyro Nutrients. This is $34. Wow. It is a lightweight facial lotion. It's vegan, gluten-free. First ingredient is water, as most lotions are made of water. I love the packaging. I've been scrapbooking and making junk journals, and I could reuse this packaging. I love it. So let's open it up. And ooh, the inside is pretty cool. It's got a little tractor there. And so you're gonna get 2 fluid ounces. It's a pump. Very nice. It's glass, so be careful. You don't want this to fall. And like I said this was $34. So here's your value right here in this lotion. Let's take out a smaller item. This is by Core's. It's Hydra Biome. It's a super dose face mask. It is this, I would call a deluxe mini. And believe it or not, it's made with real Greek yogurt, so don't eat it, but there is yogurt in here. And this deluxe mini is $10. Wow. So that's great. You apply it on your face in a thick layer, and then you remove after 10 to 15 minutes. So cool. Never been to Greece, so I can pretend. And then here's something by High. Why is it called High? This is also a deluxe mini. This is a high maintenance cannabis peeling mask. So it has cannabis CBD. This deluxe mini, which is 20 milliliters, is 20 bucks. Wow, expensive. So again, you put it into your clean skin, massage for a few minutes, and then you rinse it off. And then we got a drink Mixy It Up by Zolt. This has 20 milligrams of CBD, and my flavor is balanced coconut. So you mix this with water, and you're gonna get some CBD properties in it. So, you know, I guess CBD is supposed to be maybe like calming and stuff. It hydrates you if you're drinking water, basically, and you're adding some flavor. So this one stick is $3.20. Expensive. I would never pay that, but that's why I like subscription boxes. You get them in the box. And then the last thing, I saved the biggest item for last. This is a full-size Bioderma Cbm H2o. It's one of those micelline solutions. It's a cleansing solution for your face. It's paraben-free, hypoallergenic, non-rinse. So I've actually never used these before, but I know they're really popular. It gently cleanses and removes makeup without drying out the skin. So you just soak a cotton pad, cleanse the face, and dry. So like if you don't want to do a full wash of water and cleanser and you just want to remove your makeup, this would be awesome. You just put it on a cotton pad and remove your makeup. So I'm really interested in trying this. It's almost 17 fluid ounces, so it'll probably last a long time. And that item is almost $15. That's $14.90. So the value in this box for 16 bucks, because you can still get it, it's just the beginning of January. This is a great value. It's all skincare products, no makeup. So, you know, if you're expecting some makeup, you're not going to get that in January's box. But I really like these products, and I think the value is there. So I would love a thumbs up. If you like my video, if you don't like it, you can give me a thumbs down. I'm a big girl. I would love to see your comments down below. I answer each and every comment. And hey, subscribe. Why don't you come on my journey for 2021? I have a lot in store. And I will see you guys in the next video. And thank you for watching, and have a great night. Love you all. Bye.